guys, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. This is the channel where I talk about watches. I'm not a watch expert. This is just me chronicling my, journey in discovering new timepieces. And for today's episode, I want to continue my ongoing unboxing of the Seiko Naruto collaboration. So we've done videos on the Shikamaru watch, we've done videos on Naruto, we've done videos on Boruto, and today I want to take a look at the Sasuke, however you want to pronounce it, watch. We'll take it out of this scroll over here, take a closer look, put it on wrist, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. Let's go! Okay, just like with all the other watches in this collection, it comes in this special box, aka the Heaven and Earth Scroll, which was used in the Chunin exam of the anime. Now, the watch is no longer here. I actually have it here on my watch stand. And here you guys have it. This is the Seiko 5 Naruto Sasuke. First and most obvious thing about it is the blue and silver colorway of the watch. The blue obviously is something that's inspired by his usual getup in the series. Even when he was younger, he was wearing like a oversized blue top with white shorts. Now, another interesting element that's inspired by Sasuke is if you take a look at the dial, the face of the watch, you have what seems to be like lightning bolts or lightning streaks, which is obviously inspired by his trademark signature move, the Chidori. In fact, if you take a look at the 1, 3, and 8 o'clock positions, the hand signals for using Chidori is actually found there. At the top of the bezel, you have the Leaf Village symbol crossed out, which is the same thing that you would find on the head plate or the bandana of Sasuke. Now, one design element that I love about this piece that I couldn't find in other watches in this collection is that they signed the crown. Not with the Seiko logo, not with the Naruto logo, but with the Sharingan, the eye technique that's, of course, something the Uchiha clan of Sasuke uses. I also love how they use some sort of like blue color for the edges of the bezel, which just complements the overall look and vibe of the watch. If you take a look at the case back over here, it's covered by a NATO strap, but you should be able to find the logo of the House of Uchiha as well as the number of the piece. This is limited edition. Every watch just has 6,500 pieces and is numbered. Now, in terms of specifications, just like with the other watches in this collaboration, this watch uses the 4R36 automatic movement of Seiko. It has a day-date complication, it has 41 hours power reserve, it has 10 bar water resistance, and you also have Hardlex crystal, not sapphire, but that's okay. No, that's not okay. I really would have preferred sapphire, but yeah, let's go with the Hardlex. Stainless steel case, and of course, Lumi Bright on the hand and the indices. 42.5 diameter, 96 grams, very light, very nice on any wrist. Now, speaking of the Uchiha clan, we have over here another piece from the collection, which I also want to cover in today's episode. This is the Seiko Naruto collaboration inspired by the daughter of Sasuke and Sakura. Of course, this is Sarada. What are the elements of this watch that are inspired by Sarada? Number one, if you take a look at the color, that deep red color for the dial is actually inspired by the fire style fireball jutsu that she uses, which was taught to her by her father. If you take a look at the two-tone bezel, which is red and black, apparently it is to symbolize the traits that she inherited from her father Sasuke and from her mother Sakura. It kind of sucks that there's no Sakura watch. To be honest, I kind of feel that's it's like a massive disservice to the series, because the first three major characters, at least in the earlier part, obviously was Naruto, Sasuke, and Sakura. And it would have been nice to still have like a Sakura watch in this collection if you watch the original series. Now, if you take a look at the 4 o'clock position, you have over here the Tomoe mark, which symbolizes that she's a young ninja in training in pursuit of improving her Sharingan. Lastly, at the very edge of the strap, you have glasses engraved, which is obviously what she wears in the series. Now, all the other technical specifications, from the movement to the water resistance to the Hardlex crystal, very similar to the other watches in the collection. Now, both these watches look amazing in my opinion, and you can easily wear them without being a Naruto, Sasuke, or even a Sarada fan. The blue dial with the lightning streaks, kind of cool, while this one, that black-red color, kind of dope, especially if you're from the sneaker world and you know that color combination. But hey, if you are a Naruto fan, if you're completing the set, you really have to get the two. If you're a diehard Sasuke fan, which I know a lot of people are from the series, then obviously you can pick this piece up among the set. So that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I'll be doing 2 more vlogs on this particular series. I want to do a dedicated video on the watch inspired by Gaara, one of my favorite characters from the series. And I also want to do a dedicated video on Rock Lee. And with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video for today, let me know what you think of both watches in the comment section down below. This is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.